Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can reduce background noise of our video using Inshot application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Inshot application, and first thing first, I'm going to open the draft I have created on my Inshot. I'm going to open my video, and this is the project I have just created. And if you want to reduce the background noise of this video, we can go to the volume section right here, guys, and then we can click on the noise. Okay, and click on the check mark after you're done clicking on the noise option, and this is the result. And I know that it's not totally removed the background noise of your video, but at least it sounds better. And if you're still not satisfied with the result, you can save your video, and then you can import the video again to your Inshot project, and you can denoise it again until you get the result that you want. You can keep denoising your video many times as you like. Alright guys, and that's how we can reduce the background noise of our video using Inshot. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.